Through this upcoming week, we're quieting down a little bit through the lower 48, but as we get into next weekend, believe me, things will change. Let's quickly go over what conditions we can expect from coast to coast over the next 5 days. When it comes to snowfall, most of this is going to be lake effect, although we will have a sort of clipper and light snow showers moving through the region over the next 5 days. This isn't expected to bring a ton of snow near the coast though, and we do have some very cold air moving into this region Tuesday through Thursday, although this will lead into a quick warm up right before another big cool down late in the weekend. All in all though, again, we're really watching these lake effect regions. Some models do see 1 to 2 feet of snow falling over the next 5 days. The Ohio Valley should be experiencing below average temperatures almost until we reach the weekend, where again, we'll see a quick warm up before we do expect some storm systems to move through, potentially winter storms. And we're not really expecting any potential rainfall or snowfall until the weekend. Over the next couple days, we are expecting some showers to move through the southeast. Some of these could bring severe thunderstorms, but really the threat isn't too high. Our temperature anomalies this week will remain cool for you guys down in the southeast as well. The Midwest region is going to cool down into Monday evening, all the way through Friday, where again, like these other regions, we are expecting a quick warm up in the beginning of the weekend, leading to much cooler and stormy conditions on the back end. When it comes to precipitation, Michigan looks to get a little bit of a coating of snow, and again, that lake effect is going to be happening. The Central Plains look to remain dry and below average until we push into Friday. And the same can be said of our South Central region, except for their warm up looks to come Thursday, and we could see some decent rainfall accumulation in South and Eastern Texas. Other than a light clipper system moving through the Northern Plains, over the next 5 days, you guys look to remain pretty dry. Monday and Tuesday should be cooler than average. And as we get into the late week, we are going to see a big warm up. Again, we expect a lot of cold air behind this. Our Southwest region looks to remain dry with about average temperatures. And it does look like we will finally get a break from winds in SoCal around Thursday and Friday. Obviously, we all really hope that happens. Lastly, our Northwest region looks to remain slightly above average with very little precipitation over the next 5 days. It's a pretty slow pattern out west, but we do think things will change as we move into next week. There's what we can expect over the next 5 days from coast to coast. And I know you guys are probably seeing some of these crazy models that are coming out right now with big snowstorms across the east. I'll talk about that in a video later tonight. Just a reminder, we still need more time to understand what's going to happen with all of this weather as we move into the late weekend. But that's for the next video. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow. I make posts like these every single day and I stream every single night. I'll see you in the next video, which will be out in about 6 hours.